Here's how to import your data in Remember the Milk.
So you want to import data into Remember the Milk? Really easy. Go up to the gear icon in the top right corner. Go down to Account Settings. And then on the left panel here, scroll down to Import. And from there, you can choose to import from, well, Wunderlist. So if you don't have Wunderlist, well, you're out of luck. And if you do have Wunderlist, I'm sorry for you.
Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.